Hey guys, Elle here with the Droning Company, and I'm with Vanessa from Aurelia Aerospace here at Xpontential. Vanessa, tell us a little bit about Aurelia and what you guys do.
Okay, so basically we are a US-made drone company. We are based in Las Vegas, Nevada, actually. We've been in the market for over 6 years or more. We basically try to build whatever our customers ask for. They say, give our ideas flight, and that's what we do.
So just so I understand correctly, these are very customizable drones. So your customer base is putting in certain specifications and you guys do the best that you can to accommodate them. What are some examples of ways that people can customize these drones?
Okay, for example, our main customers are the U.S. Navy, for example, military, universities, oil and gas companies. We had these customers like 2 months ago, approx. They wanted to put like a firework thing on it, and yes, we are trying to still make it work.
That's awesome. I know I've seen some crazy ideas for what you can do with drones, so it sounds like we've got somebody here in the U.S. making those dreams happen. Tell us a little bit about this drone. Is this kind of a base model or just one of the many that you guys make?
Okay, actually this is a new drone. This is the XX Pro version 2. It is our newest launch. It has 2 GPS, it has a parachute, it has RTK, so yeah, it's basically a pretty solid unit we have here.
Awesome. It definitely looks impressive. Now, you guys, from my understanding, you've been in the drone space for a little bit, and you've recently expanded into a couple other markets. Tell me a little bit about that.
Okay, yes. Currently, we have these authorized dealer program. We are growing very fast, like internationally. We are now in Japan, in Kazakhstan, Canada, and the UK, Singapore, Indonesia, and actually, we came to the expo mainly looking for more dealers.
Awesome. If there are people watching who are looking to get a drone customized by you or become a dealer, how can they contact you or find you online?
Okay, they can find me directly in LinkedIn. I'm as Vanessa Vela with double S. And Aurelia is in Instagram as Aurelia Technologies or Aurelia Aerospace. I don't quite remember. I don't want to lie to you, but I think maybe we might appear like as both. But yes, that's how you find us.
Awesome. Well, you guys heard it here first, so you can look them up online. And Vanessa, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.